Gaurav Dhakar.
I am Harshit Vishwakarma.
Maths is all around us. It makes our life easy. We have learned today 4 simple mathematical operations.
My life is full of boring counting and always counting.
Phew.
Who are you?
I am addition. I increase your word. You don't try to avoid me. First step. 2 numbers, 2 and 4 number, I will make this 6.
Wow, together we can make so many numbers. I am so happy. But can you decrease my value?
Yes, I can decrease your value.
How can you do that?
First take 2 numbers 5 and 4. If I will come in between 5 and 4, I will make it 1.
That's really great. Repeat that addition. Who are you? I am multiplication. Well, you are what to add same number again and again. I complete your calculation easy. One more operation. Meet my friend division.
Hi all, I am division. When you want to share equally, I work to make the calculation easier. Friends, you can call me share also.
How cool! So many operations. Play with numbers.